In this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can sell used items on eBay. This is going to be a step-by-step tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how I do this and how you can do this too. So the first thing you need to do, guys, is you want to take good pictures of the product, okay? So if you have, for example, let's say you have a used item in your house and you want to sell it on eBay, you can do that, okay? You just need to take 6 pictures of that product and make sure the pictures look great, okay? So what I find, what I recognized, or what I saw here when selling on eBay, is like when you remove the background from the image, it stands out more, okay? So if you take, for example, a picture of the used item in your house, or you are selling, for example, handmade products, you can take, for example, a picture. You can take 6 pictures, but make sure you remove the background, because these pictures really stand out and you get more sales when you remove the background, okay? So there are a lot of websites that allows you to remove the background from the image, okay? So you can just search here on Google for remove background, and you will find that a lot of websites will help you remove the background from the image, okay? So after that, what you guys need to do is, after you take pictures of the product, now you want to search for that product that you have in your house or anywhere. You want to search for it on eBay and see if other sellers are selling the exact same product. Okay, so for example, if I'm going to sell, for example, like it says Samsung let's say, for example, iPhone 8, okay? It's an old iPhone, and let's say I have this, and it's a used iPhone, of course, and I want to sell it, okay? So you want to search for that title, you want to search for the product you want to sell, and see if people are selling this product or not, okay? So if you find here, for example, you have found a seller that is selling the exact same product that you want to sell on eBay, of course you can always list that product without searching, but it's always better to do product research to see exactly if the product is going to get sales on eBay or not, okay? So the strategy I use is I always look at the sales here. As you can see, this product has 79 sales, okay? So this product got like 79 79 people has purchased this product. So this product, people are searching for this product. So my strategy here is I copy the title of this product, because the title is proven to work and people are searching for this title, okay? So that's exactly what you need to do. See, if you have like the exact same product, and you can copy the title of the seller, as you can see, it's not against the terms and services of eBay, of course. Don't worry about it, you just need to copy the title, okay? Now this is exactly how I do like product research. After I have like old items in my house, I just search for these items on eBay to see if people are selling these items or not. Of course, you can always sell items that are not in eBay. You just need to create a title for your products, okay? Your products, that's all you need to do. Now after you find here your eBay competitor, you want to then click on sell in the top right, okay, of your eBay. Of course, this is going to be better if you are using your own like laptop, because this is going to be harder if you are using your phone, okay? So you want to click here on create listing and click on single listing, and here you want to come up with a title. If you have like competitors that are selling the exact same product on eBay, you can just copy their title because it's proven to work. But if it doesn't, like if you cannot find it, you can just come up with a title here, any title that has something to do with your product, okay? It's related to your product. For example, if you are selling, let's say, iPhone 11, you can just add here an used iPhone 11. That's all you need to do, okay? So you want to click here on search. Now after that, guys, you want to then select here, like the reason why they ask me here for the select a brand, because I'm selling a phone. Let's just say that I'm not selling the iPhone here. I'm just going to sell something like clothes or something like that. Clothes, brand, unbranded clothes, for example. I'm just going to click here search, and they ask me for the same thing. Look, I'm going to go back and I'm going to remove this, okay? And I'm going to remove this, and I'm going, for example, let's say that I have, for example, clothes. Okay, I want to sell clothes. I'm going, for example, to go with, okay, for example, I sell t-shirts or pants or like Christmas products. Okay, like used Christmas products. Here, for example, I would like to sell this clothing. Here I'm going to copy the title. Okay, Adidas men, Adidas basketball. Okay, I'm going to list this product. For example, I have this product, it's used. Now I'm going to copy this title because it has many sales. Okay, so I'm going to do that right now, and I'm going to click here. Okay, it will ask you here for a category. I'm just going to select the first category, which is clothing, shoes, accessories. Now here they will ask you guys select the condition of your item. You want to select here you like pre-owned, okay, because it's a used item. Okay, if you have like handmade products and they are new, okay, since you made these handmade products, you didn't use any of them, so you can go with new with tags. Okay, now if it's an old item or used item, you can just click on pre-owned. Okay, and here you want to upload the pictures. Here it says upload from computer. You want to then upload pictures here, okay, of the product. And here the title, as you can see, that you just need to copy it from eBay seller that has the exact same product as you. And here the brand, I always do unbranded because I don't want to have like problems with the brand. Okay, sometimes this is not going to happen most of the time. Sometimes when you are selling a very popular brand, for example Apple or something like that, you are going to get a copyright like claim from them, something like they will take down your listing and they will state that this item is against the copyright, like they are just going to take down the listing. Okay, so you always have to enter here unbranded just to be safe. Okay, and here size type, you want to add here the size type. If you don't know with the size type, you can just go to eBay and find people that are selling the exact same product, and you can just see here the size type here is regular, and I'm going to copy it and paste it here. Okay, so that's exactly what I do. Okay, as you can see, size type here is regular. I'm sorry. The size here is, as you can see, you can also add here a size for you can check here the size. It's t-shirt like size here. Okay, it didn't add the size here, so I'm going to ignore this. The color here, I'm going to check the color if they have added the color here. Material, okay, so they didn't add the color. You can just add the color on your own. For example, if it's a t-shirt or anything like that, you can just here, you got department man, and I'm going to select here black, for example. Okay, so here you can add item specifics. You don't have to add all these item specifics, only things that you know. Okay, now here where it comes to description, you can just come up with a description, or you can just enter here a random description, or you can also use the AI to create a description for you. If you click on use AI description, the AI will write a very good description. As you can see, this Adidas basketball tee is a must-have for any active men's wardrobe. The sleek black color and regular size make it perfect for any occasion. Okay, so you can just like make ChatGPT, just like new technology that every company is doing right now. They are installing, like all like companies are trying to like partner with ChatGPT. That's why you see here like AI thing here on eBay, so you can take advantage of it, or you can just go to ChatGPT and give ChatGPT the title, and then they will write a description for you. Here it says format. You can either select action or buy it now. If you want, you can always go with action and see which one is going to pay the most. Okay, and that's going to be the winner, or that's going to be the one who is going to buy this item if they can like add the most price, or like the most money possible. Okay, so for example, the action, this is how it works. Like when you select action, if someone, for example, bids $10 and the other person bids more than the first one, then the second one is going to take this item. Okay, is going to be the winner that will purchase this item, because they are able to pay more for this. Okay, but when you select here like buy it now, you can just when you select here buy it now, you can just add here a price. Okay, if you don't know the price, you can always go to eBay and see how much people are selling these products on eBay, and you can just come up with a price based on their prices. Okay, for example, this one is selling this for $25. I'm going to sell it, for example, for $24, just to be competitive and people will prefer me over them, because that's exactly how it works. People always look for cheaper prices. So that's exactly how it works. Now the quantity, you always add here 3 or any quantity you have. If you have only one product, you can just add here 1. And here the allow offers, it says here you can always enable it or disable it if you want. The minimum offer, I'm going to add here, for example, $20, and the I to accept optional, which I'm going to add here I to accept, I'm going to add here $22. Now the minimum offer, so if the offer less than $20, their offer will be declined and I will not be able to see it. If the offer more than $20, I will be able to receive a notification that someone is interested in this item for $20, and then it's my personal choice. Like it's my personal, like if I want that, I can just accept it. If I don't want, I'm not going to accept it. Okay, it's up to you guys. Okay, so here the shipping method, you just need to know what shipping method you are going to use. For example, if you live in United States, you can always use USPS. Okay, it's very cheap. Okay, compared like to FedEx and other shipping companies, USPS really works the best. Okay, you can just click here on add primary service, and you can add here USPS media mile, or you can always come up with any like economy services like USPS or economy shipping or USPS. As you can see, short post from Hong Kong. I'm going to use the first one. I'm going to click on yes. Okay, so here you can also offer free shipping if you want to include the shipping in the product price. Okay, if you are selling this product for $24, you can always like make the price higher so that you can like handle the shipping on your own, so that you can pay for the shipping and the buyer thinks that they are getting free shipping, but basically they are not getting free shipping. It's just a marketing strategy. Okay, and here you can just add here the item location. Okay, you can come up here with the item location. You can add here your country, United States, for example, and the state or city, for example, California or Los Angeles. You can just add your everything. Here it says promote your listing. As you can see, you just need to you can promote the listing. Like eBay will make it easier to get sales on this product when you promote it, but you see if it's profitable or not. You will take like 11% of the sale. You can always like change this. You can click here and you can always like give them only 5%. Okay, so this low ad rate, my limit performance, apply suggested ad rate, which is 11%. Okay, so I always go with 5% because it's cheaper. Okay, they are not going to take most of the money when the product gets a sale. Okay, so here after that you want to scroll down and you want to click on list it now. Now when you click on list it now, because this is your first time selling on eBay, you will ask you guys to add your credit card information. You can just follow the steps, very easy. You can just add your credit card information and your if you live outside of the United States, probably they'll ask you guys to link your Pioneer so that you can start receiving payments. Okay, that's exactly how it works. Okay, so if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. If there is anything you don't know, I reply to every single comment. Go to below and tell me your questions. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Please drop a like and see you guys next video.